Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ari Navoa. So today's video, I really wanted to talk about education, right? So I graduated high school in 2012, joined the Marine Corps in 2012. I was 17 years old when I joined. I went to boot camp in 2012, graduated in 2012, and I went to my first deployment. I got to the fleet in 2013, February, and I went to my first deployment in, I believe it was September 2013. Yeah. I went to Afghanistan. I didn't start school then, so the new rule had just come into play about how you have to wait 2 years or whatnot. So I was not able to go to school right away, right? And being deployed, it was just very inconvenient for me to start at the time. As soon as I get back, I made a promise to myself, like, I want to go to school. I want to get my degree. I want to take advantage of the opportunities that the Marine Corps has given me. So I got my tuition assistance. At the time, we had to do this class and we had to do a test to be able to be eligible for it. Now, some things have changed. You do have to do a class. It's called the JKO class, and you have to do something else through your education center. So I recommend you guys to check that out. I started going to school, and honestly, it was really good to get back into track. So I weighed that for me to get back into track, I had to take one class at a time. So I took English first. So I took English 101, and then I took the second English. I took another class one at a time until I got back into the rhythm. So the most important part is getting back into rhythm, taking that first step and starting. So a lot of times I've met higher ups who've been in the Marine Corps for like 12 years, 16 years, never gone to college, never took a class, or gone for a certificate, or gone for a trade school, anything, nothing at all. So it's like you have the opportunity to use that, so why not use it? And if you're already planning on staying in for 20 plus years and you could pass on your GI Bill to your children, why not take classes and retire from the service branch that you're in and just have a degree already, right? That makes sense. But I mean, everybody has a different choice. But what I really want to encourage you guys is to use this tuition assistance and look at the different programs that the place that you're at can offer. Look at the different things. Look at the flexibility. Look at how much is it going to cost. Look at the classes. Talk to your professors. Make sure that you let them know, like, that you're going to the field op, or you're going on this, or you have this going on. As long as you speak up about it and you let them know ahead of time, and you are able to stay on track with your assignments, and even if you have to do some assignments ahead of time, because I had to do it before too, then get it done. The other day, I met my friend. She's been in I believe just as long as me. She's already done with her master's, so I'm really proud of her. And I think it's pretty awesome. And she told me she was taking 4 classes at a time and doing all these things. And the difference between me and her is I've deployed more. So I did my second deployment, and I did try to take classes then. I was able to because I had signal at the time. And it's about not making excuses. I've met a lot of people who have been able to accomplish their degree just taking one class at a time, taking it slow, little by little, and you can do so. And also, make sure you guys check your JST transcript. So on there, you're going to be able to see which MCIs actually qualify for ACE credits. Once you're able to get those, you can take them to the college that you want to go to and take advantage of those. You should be able to get some of those when you go to boot camp, when you do certain MOS school, anything like that. All right? So that's really what I wanted to talk to you guys about. You guys know I have a partnership with National University. In honor of November's National Scholarship Month, National University is given 6 full-ride tuition scholarships to give back to those who give back. All you need to do to apply is submit a video or essay at the link below. National University will pick 2 military service members, 2 healthcare professionals, and 2 teacher winners. The deadline to apply is December 31st, 2020. I'm currently going to school for my bachelor's. I'm still finishing up. I got my associates in 2015, and I'm working on my bachelor's. I'm excited to finish out. and I'm excited to just continue to learn and stuff like that. And I believe that, you know, it's not a bad thing to go to school. It's not a bad thing to want to learn something else, and it's just gonna get you out there. Maybe you don't know what you want to go to school for, but just getting yourself out there to going for a certificate or going for anything like that is gonna help you out. Because at the end of the day, you have to ask yourself, what is it that you really want out of life? Are you really wanting to stay in 20 years? What's after that? Or are you wanting to just see how things go this first 4 years? But what's after that? Or 8 years, 10 years? I've met people who have gotten out the military at 15 years. So you have to think about things like that, and think about what are you doing right now that's going to help you out in the future? What is going to push you forward? What is going to lift you up? What is going to make you better? And maybe school is not for everyone, but if it's not for you, then think about taking courses on something else that is going to make you another source of income, something else that's going to make you better, something else that you're passionate about. Maybe you're passionate about art, so take courses about art. So whatever your passion is, that whatever you want to do in life, make sure that you invest in your passion. When you invest in your passion, you are giving some time to that you want to do in life. What is it that you really moves you? How do you know? Like, how do you know that that's your passion? So when I start talking about what I'm passionate about, you gotta look at the body language. Your tone of voice changes, the ways your eyes look changes, anything like that, it just changes, and you just get so excited about it. Whatever it is that makes you excited and makes you happy when you talk about it, and makes you smile, changes your tone of voice, and you notice that warm feeling, do that. Just do that and invest in it, study it, get better at it, master it. And if you want to go to school for something, go to school for that. If you want to take courses, go take courses. But take advantage of using the tuition assistance that is given to you. So it's $4,500 that they're giving to you every fiscal year, October to October. Take advantage of that and use it, because it's there for you. And if you don't use it, it doesn't roll over. It disappears, and then it goes back to zero, and you go back to 4,500. So it doesn't roll over. So it's not like if I used my 4,500 this year, if I didn't use it, if I didn't use it this year, then I got $8,000 or $9,000 next year? No, it doesn't work that way. If you didn't use it that year, you don't have it the next year. The next year you go back to 4,500. Let's say I'm in college right now, and I only used $2,000 out of the 4,500, and I had $2,500 left. Then that money is gone. Once October hits, it's gone, and it goes back to 4,500. So it doesn't roll. I don't get it back. So use it wisely, because it's there for you. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have more questions about anything with college, anything related, how to start school or anything like that, make sure you check the link in the bio and look at the different sources and different things that I have there. All right? Thank you.